Good morning, this is Chris with Yacht Beam LED and the Yacht Group. We're here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. It's Friday morning, we're excited about the day. And I wanted to go through our Yacht Beam SRS 1000 model with you. This searchlight is extremely rugged. It's been through a 500-hour salt spray test, been through numerous vibration tests. And as you can see from our kind of clear Lexan display here, there's three components to the light. You have the existing searchlight, you have the ergonomic joystick right here, and you also have the master control box, which links everything together. If you look underneath here, you can see the joystick and the control box is all connected via Deutsch plugs. So it's literally plug and play connection, extremely easy to retrofit on any existing boat or a new build. The light itself is very straightforward to use. You have a simple on-off power button at the helm, which is going to in turn rotate the light 360 degrees to calibrate to zero. Right now it's calibrated to zero facing forward, and you can use the ergonomic joystick to maneuver the light in any which way you want. The joystick itself has 3 speeds, so you can click down on a counterclockwise click, and that'll go to any sort of slower speed to be able to really find what you're looking for out in the ocean when you're running the vessel. It has a sweep feature which will automatically calibrate again to 0 degrees and pan forward 90 degrees back and forth, so that when you're running at night, the light will kind of work for you, looking for any sort of floating impediments, lobster traps, crab traps, anything like that. In addition, the light also has a strobe and an SOS feature. So if you find yourself coming down a very busy causeway or a commercial place where there are commercial vessels coming through, you hit the strobe button and you're guaranteed that they will see you and in turn make sure and ensure that you have safety at sea. One more click of the strobe, now you have the SOS feature. So if you are in distress, you can coincide that SOS strobe with the full 360 degree rotation, which is now going to tell everyone in your line of sight that you're in trouble, come help me. The light itself is extremely ergonomic to use on the joystick side. You can see the 2 buttons here represent the flood and the spotlight. So not only do we have a searchlight to be able to look for something very far away, but we also have a floodlight. If you're coming down a marina or a gangway, you want to be able to see everything to your periphery. This is the flood, and then this is the spot. So in addition to the powder-coated white color, the searchlights can come in any color you can think of. We can match any color palette to the color of the boat, anything to the color of the superstructure. It's all completely custom. This color right here is a gunmetal gray that we've been using for our Coast Guard and military applications. And then over here, we have our matte black color, which can be used for obviously any vessels that have that kind of silver or gray superstructure, of which they want to have a matte black color. So again, the Yacht Beam can come in any different color you want. It's all completely custom. And we have the ability to match the color to your boat, whichever you would like. I want to chat with you about our newest product, which is the Yacht Beam LED SRS 2000 model, which is this one right here. It has 1.5 million candela to be able to pierce the night with the strongest beam on the market. This light is completely waterproof. It has an IP65 rating, and this is rated for boats between, say, 65 and 70 foot up to about 150 foot. It's 24 volts, and it is completely all LED. For more information, please visit YachtBeamLED.ai and come and see us at the show. Thanks.